Joy is the feeling that we have from doing what we are fashioned to do. And I say if happiness is what you're after, then you're going to be let down frequently, and you're going to be unhappy much of your time. Joy is a different thing. It's something else. Joy is not a choice. It's not a response to some result. See, joy is always in process. It's under construction. It is in constant approach, alive and well in the doing of what we're fashioned to do and enjoy.
See, like a little bit of something, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And that is, for me, it's a success. You can't see what the image is.
Look, the first step that leads to our identity in life is usually not, I know who I am, I know who I am. That's not the first step. The first step's usually, I know who I am not. Defining ourselves by what we are not is the first step that leads us to really knowing who we are.